Read the selection and answer each question. Number 1. In what way does Nebozo fail to follow his grandmother's directions about making beauty? A. He paints animals such as bugs and birds. B. He starts by painting a flower in a field. C. He uses many different colors of paint. D. He takes his time and paints carefully. Number 2. Read the sentence from paragraph 3. He dipped his brush into the purple paint pot and painted the petals gently, one by one, being careful not to slop over the edges. Think about the suffix ly. What is the meaning of gently above? A. Being very quiet. B. Using a light touch. C. Trying to be perfect. D. Moving very slowly. Number 3. Which two sentences from the story best show that Nebozo is excited about painting? A. Nebozo skipped off to a field full of pale white coneflowers. B. He was delighted and galloped around the field, dotting every ladybug he could find, missing only one. C. Nebozo painted stripes around the bee's body. D. Nebozo saw raccoon's plain gray tail hanging down from a tree. E. Then he noticed Sparrow perched on a low tree branch. Number 4. Read paragraphs 14 and 15. Sparrow hopped up 2 more branches, but Nebozo struggled after him. Orange? Nebozo called. Sparrow flitted to the uppermost branch and watched as Nebozo clambered up the tree. What is the meaning of clambered above? A. Thought quickly. B. Looked carefully. C. Shouted nervously. D. Climbed awkwardly. Number 5. What happens because Sparrow hops and flutters away from Nebozo? A. Sparrow learns that bright colors are beautiful. B. Sparrow is punished by losing his bright colors. C. Nebozo decides to splash paint on the trees. D. Nebozo accidentally gets paint all over the trees. Number 6. Read the sentence from paragraph 17. But the paints and dyes spilled, pouring out of the pots like a rushing waterfall. Why does the author use the simile, like a rushing waterfall, to tell about the paint spill? A. To show that it makes a pool among the trees. B. To show that it sweeps Nebozo to the ground. C. To show that it flows quickly and has great power. D. To show that it is enjoyable for Nebozo to look at. Number 7. Explain how the events in the story support the theme of forgiveness. Use details from the story to support your answer. Read the selection and answer each question. Number 8. Why does the author use words such as to everyone's amazement and enormous surprise in paragraph 7? A. To explain why the children want to keep the tree a secret. B. To explain why the friends enjoy their vacation time together. C. To show that the whole town is having a happy and unusual summer. D. To show that the events are uncommon and important to the children. Number 9. Read the sentence from paragraph 7. I usually only hit singles, but this time I smacked the ball all the way to the moon. What do the words "all the way to the moon" tell readers about the narrator? A. She can hit the ball farther than any of her teammates. B. She has trouble seeing where the softball field ends. C. She is delighted that she hit the ball so far. D. She is still learning the rules of softball. Number 10. Read the sentence from paragraph 9. When fall came, the town council decided to spruce up the courthouse clock tower by giving it a new coat of paint. What does spruce up mean as it is used above? A. To make something look better. B. To give something a new purpose. C. To repair something that has broken. D. To take something down to rebuild it. Number 11. Read the sentence from paragraph 10. Rosa and I noticed that he didn't argue that this was our lucky tree, as he could have. What does this sentence show about the thoughts of the narrator and her friends? A. Alexandra and Rosa had hoped Felipe would say that they believed the tree was lucky. B. Alexandra and her friends are keeping secret the real reason they want the tree to stay. C. Alexandra and Rosa realize they never told Felipe why they want the town to protect the tree. D. Alexandra and her friends are silently hoping the mayor will plant more lucky trees around town. Read the sentence from paragraph 11. Unfortunately, there is a problem. Think about the prefix un. What is the meaning of unfortunately above? A. Sadly. B. Clearly. C. Carefully. D. Accidentally. 13. How does the narrator's opinion of her town change throughout the story? What events cause the change? Use details from the story to support your answer. Number 14. What is one lesson the author is trying to teach readers? A. Even the ordinary things around you can be interesting. B. It is wise to pay attention to the history of places familiar to you. C. If you work hard, you may find that you can make your own luck. D. If you look hard, you may find something special in an ordinary place.